Have you heard about Kraddun or seen the ticker KDN popping up in crypto chats lately? If you're curious what all the noise is about, this video breaks down exactly what Kraddun is, how it works, and why people are paying attention right now. Let's get started. Kraddun brands itself as a next-generation Web3 commerce ecosystem built to reshape how we buy things online. At its core is the KDN token, the economic engine of the platform. But Kraddun isn't just another cryptocurrency. It claims to combine blockchain, AI, and e-commerce to solve some of the biggest problems in traditional online shopping: slow payment settlements, high fees, lack of transparency, and shady merchant reviews. Here's how Kraddun aims to deliver on that promise. First, KDN acts as a utility token for every transaction inside the Kraddun ecosystem: payments, merchant interactions, platform features. Next, there's the payment infrastructure, a system called Kraddun Pay, which is designed to offer near-instant settlement and very low transaction fees, reportedly under a cent per transaction. That can be a big win compared to the traditional payment gateways or global shipping systems. But that's not all. Kraddun also proposes an AI-reinforced merchant credibility system. By combining on-chain records with AI-verified reviews, the platform aims to weed out fake reviews and dishonest sellers, making shopping more transparent and trustworthy. Looking further ahead, Kraddun wants to bring e-commerce into the world of immersive digital experiences. Their vision includes a 3D digital mall, where users can shop in a metaverse-like environment, try on clothes, or view items in augmented reality, AR, and browse with personalized AI shopping assistants. Blending the convenience of online shopping with the engagement you get from physical retail. Why is Kraddun getting buzz right now? One factor is timing. Kraddun seems to be at the cusp of its public rollout. The project has reportedly completed multiple development milestones, and there's talk of upcoming listings on major exchanges, which could bring liquidity, visibility, and easier access for retail investors. Another reason is what Kraddun promises: a truly global, decentralized e-commerce platform that accepts not only KDN, but also major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. That gives it broader flexibility compared to niche crypto-only projects. If Kraddun pulls off its roadmap, it could democratize e-commerce in a way, putting small retailers and big brands on a level playing field, offering lower fees and transparent trust tools, while giving shoppers a smoother, more immersive and secure buying experience. Still, and this is important, as with any ambitious crypto meets commerce project, there are open questions. The promises are big, but execution matters. For instance, will the AI-verified reviews plus on-chain merchant credibility system truly prevent fraud or manipulation? Will their supply chain and shipping infrastructure scale globally as claimed? And will the adoption by merchants and consumers actually materialize, especially when legacy e-commerce players already dominate? Plus, while the pre-sale of KDN and early investor interest have attracted attention, until we see real users using Kraddun for shopping, real transactions happening, and real merchandise delivered, some of this remains hypothetical. So, what does this all mean for you? If you're watching from the US and thinking about Kraddun, if you believe in a future where blockchain, AI, and e-commerce converge, where global shopping is fast, cheap, transparent, and immersive, then Kraddun may be one of those early-stage projects to watch. That said, treat it like what it is: a speculative, high-potential but high-risk bet that if you're curious to follow its progress, keep an eye out for official exchange listings, platform beta releases, and real-world user reviews as they roll out. And if you want, I can make a follow-up video diving into the tokenomics of KDN or a checklist of red flags to watch when evaluating crypto commerce projects like this. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives into emerging crypto projects, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.